Yeah, I'm heading now to Shinjuku Station. Never been here before, haven't got a clue what the hell I'm doing. But I'm going to get the train now to Shibuya. Have a look around there, maybe go and see Shibuya Crossing. From there, I'm going to head on, I'm not sure where it is, but I'm going to go and see the graves of the 47 Ronin. So I'll see you at the train station. It's actually getting quite sunny now as well. Well, this is going to be interesting, because I am no good in these sort of places. Actually get quite stressed. Hope you haven't got to rush for trains. It's not what I like to do. But see how we go on. I'm going to go to Shibuya Crossing anyway, see how this works out. Downstairs.
Yes, and then go straight.
Go straight.
The right side.
On the right hand side,
you have vending machine and the
vending machine.
Yes.
That's 170 yen.
Yes.
To Shibuya.
Yes, Shibuya.
And what train? What line?
14.
Line 14.
Yes.
To Shibuya.
Yes.
No problem. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you. Whew, see how this works out then. All I did there was come in the door. Travel Service Centre. Very helpful. So down here to the right, he said.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
S H Shibuya. Line 14 to 15 this way. Oh, there we are. Got the numbers here, look.
Shibuya ご乗車ありがとうございます。新宿に到着です。スマートフォンや
この電車は山手線内側。
お出されございます。渋谷に到着です。到着の電車、品川東方面です。 た来年駅で列車に乗ってしまったらされておりますので、若干列が遅れております。恐れ入りますが、車内中ほどまで順番にお進みください。
We'll go and see Hitachi go first, eh? People are getting the photograph took with, I think its name's Hitachi or something, the dog. It was the Japanese Akita who waited outside the station for its owner till it died, waited for X amount of years. I'm not too sure, you can Google it. There was a film made about it, obviously set in America. Bloke played by Richard Gere. But anyway, that's the story of the dog. Don't know how many years, but this is where it lived, waiting for its owner. The owner must have died. Not sure I'm babbling, but Google it if you need to know. That's the story of the dog anyway. Right, we're going to head to the crossing now. Tickets.
Guidance will be displayed in English. Guidance will be displayed in English. 処理中です。カードを
Takanawa Gateway.
ご希望のボタンを。
GR line. Sorry, do you know what number line to Takanawa Gateway?
Gateway, flight number 2. Go straight, turn the right side, elevator or
Number
escalator.
12.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. Well, I'm just getting off the train here. You can change at this station and head to another station, which gets you about a minute from the graves of the 47 Ronin. But I'm okay with a walk, so I'm getting off here. I'm going to take the walk through the streets there. I prefer to have a look around, but if you go from Shibuya to here, you change at this station and head off to another one. So anyway, I'll give you a little look what I see on the way, and I'll see you at the graves of the 47 Ronin. Here we are leaving now. What the hell's going on there? Seven minutes. I'll have a look at what's have a look at what's about. Nothing much to show really. I think I'm in sort of like a suburban area of Tokyo, it looks like, where people live. Looks, it's a Sunday morning. Sunday now it's 12 o'clock on a Sunday. Looks like people are just day off work, wandering around. So I don't think there's going to be much to show people along the way. Then all of a sudden, this appears from nowhere. Just didn't think I was walking anywhere. I just thought I was just going to be walking through streets, people's houses, that sort of area. Then all of a sudden, here we are.
50 rolls. Okay,
How much, please?
it's 300 yen per person.
Thank you.
700 yen change.
Yeah, could I have some sticks, please?
Yes, yes. It's
Oh, included?
yes.
Okay, thanks very much.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Please put 1 or 2 sticks to each grave.
One stick,
1 or 2, yes.
2.
1 or 2, yes.
1 or 2 to each grave. No problem.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. Thanks, thank you.
はい。
Thank you,
ありがとうござい
thank you.
ます。はい。